Hello everyone, this is Manay and welcome to my Personal Investing 101. What exactly does it mean to invest? And when does one draw the line between investing and speculating or maybe even gambling? Today, the term investment is thrown around rather carelessly and often at things that don't even belong to this category. Frequently, as part of some misdirected sales speech such as invest in yourself, invest in your future, without even giving any context at all. The list of so-called investment is long. Is a house an investment? What about a business, an education, or maybe a collectible car? Is it an investment? According to the dictionary, investing means to commit your money in order to earn a financial return. Notice how they use the word compete, as it implies that you are buying for the long haul. Think of it like buying a house. You don't just buy one just because somebody suggested you to do so. Or maybe base your decisions on just some rumor and tips, right? You conduct a thorough research, study all the aspects, understand all the prospects, and buy it for the long term. But how do we differentiate an investor from a speculator? After all, investor is actually also speculating. Because he is also making a guess or an estimate of the value of a particular stock or a company. But if you were to look more closely, a keyword is actually missing. While an investor is making a guess, his guess is actually an educated one. An investor arrives at an estimated value after conducting an individual fundamental research. Unlike a speculator, an investor does not base his entire decision on the hearsays, but instead, he decides based on his own research. Speculating is vastly different from investing. Speculating is a lot like betting or gambling. As a speculator, you are hoping to make a quick buck based entirely on luck. Without any understanding or background research, you're actually just betting or you're just hoping that something will work in your own favor. Which, truth to be told, it does work sometimes. But relying purely on luck is very risky as well, since the rule of gambling house apply here as well. In the end, the house always wins and the investor always loses. History tells us that trying to make a quick buck over the short term by buying and selling frequently actually never works. Especially when you are trying to create wealth over the long term. Investing, on the other hand, is very different. Investing is all about taking uncalculated risks. It involves understanding a line of business, its prospects, and giving it time to grow. Bottom line, if you're someone who thinks or guesses, especially in idle or casual way, about something that is uncertain, or maybe you're that someone who don't study any companies, then you have the same success buying stocks as you do in a poker game if you bet without looking any at your cards. If you want to hear more about personal finance tips, investing strategies, click that like button and subscribe to my channel.